Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again. In this video we're going to take a look at the Team UB custom ROM for the Samsung Galaxy S4 I9505 model. So I'm just going to let it boot up first to begin with. And as you can see here, we've got the Team UB boot animation here, unofficial builds. Okay, so it's finished booting up there. So this is the UI, this is how it looks. This is based on CyanogenMod 12. So it doesn't have that TouchWiz UI. This is pretty much the closest thing to stock Android. So it's going to be a lot smoother and a lot quicker. So let's just go into the settings. This is Android version 5.0.2 lollipop. So let's just have a look. Android version 5.0.2, as you can see here, lollipop. And you've got this nice little game here, which is really difficult to play. Okay, so let's just go back into About Phone. So like it says, Android version 5.0.2 lollipop, and it's the Team UB version, and it's for the i9505. As you can see here, we've got information about the processor and how much memory we've got there, the baseband version, kernel version, and the build date. So this build was built on the 29th of January, which was a Thursday of 2015. Got the build number there also. And hardware information. When you select hardware information, it tells you the basic info about the phone. So the manufacturer is Samsung, hardware type, system partition, data partition, RAM, bootloader. Also get CPU info, display info. As you can see, it tells you a lot about the phone's display. And what I like about this ROM, if there's any updates available, you can just check system updates and check now. And if there's an update available, just like on your stock TouchWiz firmware, you can just go ahead and update the phone's firmware. Okay, here we've got performance. So, hold on. Let's check the profile. Okay, so here on performance, you can enable performance, which is going to make the phone perform a lot better. Or you can keep it on balanced. Or you can change it to power save mode to save battery power. So I'm just going to select performance. Also got advanced settings, so here you can have a mess about with the app bar settings. Also the clock widget settings. Display settings, so you can change the DPI settings there for the LCD density. We've got gesture anywhere settings here. So you can also have a mess about with those. Lock screen settings. recent panels, screen and animation settings. So right now it's currently set to toast animations as the default, and these are all the different settings here for the animations. System animations, once again there's just a bunch of different settings, and screen recorder settings. So it's currently set to screen record. We've got the video size here, it's set at 720p and the bit rate at 4 megabytes per second. And we've also got settings for the wake locker blocker. I'm not quite sure what that is. I've never messed about with it. But it says you can block system wake locks. And here's one of my favorite settings for this ROM, Audio FX. So here you can change the different settings for the speaker, also for the headset, and Bluetooth speakers and wireless speakers. Got this nice EQ here, and these are all the different presets for the equalizer. And we've got the bass boost option here along with surround sound. Also we've got the themes option, so you can change different themes. So let's just apply this one real quick. And as you can see, we now have this nice theme going on here. We've also got settings for the notification drawer. So you can see there's a bunch of settings there to have a mess about with. Settings for the buttons. The status bar. These are all the settings for the status bar. And also you can select the launcher menu here to choose which launcher you want to use. I've got it set to Nova Launcher, which is my favorite launcher. Okay, here we've got users. So we've got user profiles. It's currently set to you, but you can also add guest users, just like you would on your PC. So as you can see here, there's just a ton of different options and settings here, what you can just mess about with and customize the phone to your liking. And this ROM is very speedy, it's very quick. As you can see, there's no lag whatsoever, it's very smooth. And like I says, everything works. I've been using it for the last 4 days now and everything works. This can definitely be used as a daily driver. I've not found any bugs whatsoever. If you flash this ROM, I highly recommend downloading CPU Tuner from the Google Play Store and changing the governor to full speed if you want to make the phone a lot quicker. So you can see now it's super fast. Battery life is awesome on this phone as well. Let's have a look here. So I've got the battery down to 71%, and that was from 6 o'clock this morning from a full charge. It's down to 71%, and as you can see here it says 17 hours left. So battery life is really good on this ROM. I highly recommend this ROM. I'll leave a link in the description down below as to where you can download this ROM from. The developer of this ROM is called Big Boss Tech. He's an awesome developer, so all credits go to him, because this ROM is truly amazing. And like I said, I highly recommend it, guys. Try it out. In order to flash this, if you're new to Android, you will need to root your Samsung Galaxy S4. If you don't know how to root, I'll leave a link to my tutorial in the description down below how to root. You'll need to do that first, then you'll need to install CWM recovery or TWRP custom recovery. If you don't know how to do that, I'll also leave a link in the description down below as to how to do that. And then you just simply download the ROM, put it on your SD card, go into recovery and flash it. If you don't know how to flash a custom ROM, I'll leave a link in the description down below once again as how to flash a custom ROM. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the Android Doctors channel, be sure to subscribe for more videos. If you want me to actually do a tutorial on how to install this, just leave your comments in the comment section down below, and I'll do a tutorial for you, no problem. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'm out. Deuces.